Welcome viewers, today we're diving into the fascinating world of feminism. We will be exploring the four waves that have shaped the movement over the decades. I'm Rochelle Janicio, and I am thrilled to be your guide as we navigate through the four waves of feminism. Let's start with a brief overview of each wave and its key characteristic. The first wave of feminism emerged in 1848 to 1920, focusing on women's suffrage and legal rights. The film we can relate into is Little Women by Greta Gerwig. It follows the lives of the March sisters as they navigate societal expectation, personal ambitions, and the complexity of womanhood. Characters like Jo March challenge traditional gender norms by pursuing ambitions beyond marriage and domesticity. Jo's desire to become a writer symbolizes a longing for independence and creative fulfillment outside of conventional female roles. The film serves as a poignant exploration of feminism, resonating with audiences across different waves of feminist thoughts. By weaving together themes of gender roles, ambition, and sisterhood, it offers a timeless portrayal of female resilience and empowerment that continue to inspire and captivate audience in the ongoing pursuit of gender equality. Next came the second wave, which took place from 1960s to 1980s. This wave addressed a wide range of issues including reproductive rights, workplace discrimination, and gender roles. An example of that was film Hidden Figures. This film is set during the early 1960s, a time marked by deep-seated racial segregation and gender discrimination in the United States. In addition to facing racial barriers, the three protagonists also confront gender-based obstacles in their professional lives. Despite their exceptional skills and contribution, they are marginalized and underestimated due to their gender and race. Hidden Figures serves as a powerful example of how feminism has impacted gender representation in media, particularly in terms of highlighting the contributions of women, especially women of color, in historically male-dominated film. The third wave of feminism emerged emphasizing diversity, inclusivity, and intersectionality. This wave sought to address the experiences of women from marginalized communities, including women of color and those with disabilities. Example of that was the Legally Blonde film. The film follows Elle, a fashionable and seemingly superficial sorority girl who decides to pursue a law degree at Harvard University in an effort to win back her ex-boyfriend. However, as she navigates the challenges of law school, Elle discovers her own strength and ambitions, ultimately proving herself as a capable and determined individual. So the film is set in the early 2000s, a time marked by advancement in gender equality, but also lingering stereotypes and biases regarding women's capabilities and roles. Legally Blonde reflects the impact of feminism on gender representation in media through its portrayal of female protagonists who defies expectations and stereotypes. At the fourth wave of feminism, which continues to the present day, this wave is characterized by digital activism, social media advocacy, and a renewed focus on issues such as sexual harassment, gender-based violence, and online misogyny. Example of that was the film Barbie 2023. The film explored feminism with the context of Barbie's world, addressing key issues such as body image and beauty standards, empowerment and self-identity, intersectionality, and diversity. It incorporates intersectional perspective, acknowledging that women's experiences are shaped by various intersecting factors such as race, class, sexuality, and ability. This movie features characters from diverse backgrounds and identities, reflecting the complexity and richness of women's lives experience. As a fan of these films, they have inspired me to become the person I am today. They have given me courage and confidence that I can accomplish anything regardless of my gender. In relation to my personal life, I am an electrical supervisor in a heavy equipment company. I repair heavy equipment, and I work in a field where I am the only woman. I have my physical limitations because I cannot lift heavy weights, but I also have my strength that allow me to excel in this field. Additionally, I am a full-time mother and a provider for my family. Times have changed, and now women are the confident one. They are seizing opportunities for themselves and their families. They can now be providers too. Feminism has played a significant role in shaping how women are portrayed in the media, from challenging stereotypes to promoting diverse and inclusive narratives. Feminism has advocated the greater representation and recognitions of women's experiences. As we continue to navigate the complexities of gender equality and social justice, let's remember the legacy of those who came before us and the ongoing fight for a more equitable and inclusive world. Together, we can make a difference.